los te maak. Ek het nou terwyl ons so loop geprobeer kyk. Wat het sy gevolg? Was er 'n streepie van sy bloed wat gelê het op die teerpad? Ek wil hê ons moet 'n moment of silence hê.
I am going to suggest to the council that we rename this street Tigrant Morris.
We come to you with our tears, our hearts are broken, our spirits are wounded, O God. But today we call on you who is the author and the finisher of our faith. Father, your word says if you heal us, we will be healed. If you deliver us, we will be delivered.
La